In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to track revenue forecast in Pipedrive in 3 minutes. By the end, you'll have a clear visual forecast that helps you see what revenue is likely coming in and when, so you can plan your pipeline with confidence. First, head to Insights on the left sidebar. Insights is Pipedrive's reporting hub, where all your dashboards and reports live. If you're new to it, think of Insights as the place you go to turn your deal data into clear charts and trends. Clicking Insights opens a workspace where you can build and manage reports quickly. Next, look to the top left and click Create, then choose Report. This starts a fresh report from scratch, so you're in full control of what you analyze and how it's displayed. In the report setup, select Revenue Forecast as the entity. This tells Pipedrive you want to calculate expected revenue based on your deal's values and dates. Now, choose your preferred report type. If you want a quick snapshot over time, a line or bar chart works great. If you prefer to compare segments, like pipelines or owners, a stacked bar can make patterns stand out. A table view can be helpful for detailed auditing, but most teams start with a time-based chart for clarity. From here, tailor the report to match your business context. Update your filters to narrow down the data set. Common filters include pipeline, deal owner, expected close date range, and deal status. If your forecasting relies on expected close dates, tighten that range to the months or quarters you care about. If you manage different products or regions, filter those as well, so the forecast reflects only what you need to see. Now configure the graph so it's easy to read at a glance. Group your data by the right time interval, like monthly or quarterly, depending on your sales cycle. Choose how the totals are calculated, confirm the currency, and decide how you want segments displayed, such as by pipeline or owner if you're comparing performance. Keep the design simple and readable. The goal is to make trends clear without clutter. When you're happy with how it looks, click Save at the top right. Your report will now live inside Insights, so you can revisit it, tweak filters as your pipeline evolves, and keep your forecast up to date. That's all. With just a few clicks, you've built a focused revenue forecast report in Pipedrive, giving you a reliable view of what's coming next and helping you make smarter, faster decisions.